Jayanti College, Autonomous Bangalore, in collaboration with Synod College, Shillong, Meghalaya. A day without prayer is a day without blessing, and a life without prayer is a life without power. Let us begin this auspicious day with a moment of silent prayer. A smile is a universal welcome. On this occasion, I request Dr. Vijay Kumar R., Head, Department of Commerce, to welcome the gathering.
A very good afternoon to one and all present on this online FDP program. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome all of you to this FDP program on mastering statistical techniques with JAMOVI, a hands-on approach. In a world driven by data, the ability to interpret and apply statistical techniques is not just a skill, but a necessity. This FDP aims to empower us with practical knowledge and hands-on experience in using JAMOVI, an emerging open source platform that simplifies complex statistical analysis and enhances our research capabilities. We are deeply honored to welcome our distinguished resource person, Professor S.M. Khan from Aligarh Muslim University. Sir, your expertise in the field of statistics and your passion for simplifying its application through user-friendly tools like JAMOVI make you the perfect mentor for this session. We are truly privileged to have you with us today, and we look forward to learning from your vast experience and insight. A hearty welcome to you, sir.
Thank you so much.
I would like to take this opportunity to extend a heartfelt welcome to our respected Vice Principal and Chief Financial Officer, Reverend Father Dr. Lijopi Thomas. A priest, with your vision and encouragement continuously inspire us to engage in meaningful academic pursuits and professional growth. Thank you for your unwavering support. We welcome you, Father. A warm welcome to Dr. Gaireen Lingdor, Principal, Synod College, Shillong, whose presence and collaboration has made and enriched and added flavor to this FDP program. Welcome, dear Principal. I also welcome the FDP program coordinator, Dr. Aarti Singh, and team, and all the faculty members of the Department of Commerce for successfully organizing and conduct of this particular FDP. I also extend a cordial welcome to all the participants across the nation for joining us today. Your presence reflects your commitment to continuous learning and academic excellence. Welcome, dear participants. At the very outset, let us make this the most of this opportunity, explore, engage, and elevate our skills. Wishing everyone an insightful and enriching session ahead. Thanking one and all who are present here today. And once again, a warm welcome to one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. It is my pleasure to welcome Dr. Vijay Kumar R., Head, Department of Commerce, who always motivates and guides us in all our departmental activity. We welcome you, sir. Leadership is a capacity to translate vision into reality. One such leader is our Vice Principal, Father Dr. Lijopi Thomas. Now, I request our beloved Father to deliver inaugural address.
Honorable guest and resource person for this FDP, Professor S.M. Khan from Aligarh Muslim University, the esteemed Principal of Synod College, Shillong, Dr. Gaireen, distinguished Head of the Department, Dr. Vijay Kumar, respected faculty coordinators for this FDP, dear faculty members, researchers, academicians, and dear participants. A very good afternoon to each and every one of you. It is my absolute pleasure to welcome all of you to this national level faculty development program on mastering statistical techniques with JAMOVI, a hands-on approach. We are delighted to have such a distinguished group of professionals and scholars gathered here today, representing diverse disciplines, including social science, management, medical, and even engineering fields. In today's rapidly evolving data-driven world, the role of data analysis in shaping academic research, industry practices, and informed decision-making cannot be overstated. From understanding social patterns to predicting economic trends, from improving healthcare outcomes to advancing technological innovations, statistical analysis forms the backbone of progress in nearly every field. As the need for skilled data analysis continues to grow, it is imperative that we equip ourselves with the tool and techniques necessary to tackle the challenges of data interpretation effectively and with the time-saving mechanisms. So the program centered around to use JAMOVI, a user-friendly open source statistical software, will provide hands-on training and practical knowledge in core statistical techniques, such as descriptive statistics, hypothesis testing, regression analysis, factor analysis, and non-parametric tests. Always as a research scholar, or those people, those who are into the, especially focused towards research, statistics or statistical analysis is a very part and parcel of their research, because analysis is very much important to take forward any research to get a good output. So the need or the relevance of this FDP is very high and it has to be appreciated. So on this occasion, we are fortunate to have a very good resource person in the personality of Professor S.M. Khan from Aligarh Muslim University, a renowned academician with over 3 decades of experience in research methodology and data analysis. So we are fortunate to listen to such a resourceful and respectful person in the person of S.M. Khan. Thank you, dear Professor, for your kind acceptance to enlighten the young researchers and to have a better idea, to have a more effective research analysis in our research process. And also we have to appreciate the efforts, the contribution, the collaboration that we have with the Synod College, Shillong, special thanks to Dr. Gairin, the principal of the college, and all the faculty members for effectively collaborating in organizing this FDP. So as we embark on this journey together, it is important to recognize the significance of hands-on learning. So this empower each and every one of us, not only to deepen our research skills or knowledge, but also to transform our teaching methodologies, enabling students to make data-driven decisions in their own work. So it's have double benefit, our own research, and it will help us to teach the next generation. The primary objective of this program is not just to teach statistical techniques, but to bridge a gap between theory and practice. That's why the hands-on experience is being organized statistical tool. So goal is to equip you with the knowledge and confidence to use statistical tools effectively, ensuring that the research and insights you contribute can withstand the security and the sacredness of the modern scientific and professional standards. So before I conclude, I would like to express my gratitude to the head of the department, Dr. Vijay Kumar, and the FDP coordinators headed by Dr. Aarti Singh, and all the faculty members of Kristu Jayanti College and Synod College, Shillong, for effectively organizing, planning, and executing this FDP, which can be beneficial for many academicians and research scholars. And I wish all the best to all the participants. And I'm confident that by the end of this program, you will be equipped with not just knowledge, but the practical skills to make a tangible difference in your academic research, teaching, and professional endeavors. So once again, thanking the resource person and the chief guest for today, SM Khan sir, and the principal of the Synod College, and all the participants, and all the organizers. And I wish and pray, may this journey through this FDP be a very fruitful and enriching experience. Wish you all the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Father, for your time and kind words. Now I request the principal of Synod College, Shillong, Meghalaya, to address the gathering.
Ms. Ashwita, who's chairing this session, Dr. Vijay Kumar R, who's the head of the Commerce Department from Kristu Jayanti College, Reverend Father Lijo P. Thomas, the Vice Principal, esteemed resource person, Professor S.M. Khan, and Dr. Aarti Singh, who's the convener of this FDP, as well as all other participants and resource persons and faculty who may be joining in this inaugural session. On behalf of Synod College Shillong, I want to take this privilege to greet each and every one of you in the precious name of Jesus Christ, who is our Lord and our Savior. It is indeed an honor for our college to team together, to partner together with Kristu Jayanti College in order to organize this FDP. It has been a very, very brief partnership so far. We have we come to know each other only a short while, but we are well on the road to doing great things together, which we hope will benefit the student community, even in this part of Northeast India. Just to brief you a little bit about our college, Synod College Shillong is a Christian organization. It's a Christian college, which has been established in the year 1965. And we are now in our 60th year journey as a college. And the vision and the mission of the college is to impart a holistic education in a Christian environment to students from the state as well as the region, especially students coming from the economically disadvantaged sections of the community. So through the 60 years journey of the college, we have also had accreditations by NAC Bangalore. And in the year 2023, it was our 4th accreditation. By the grace of God, we were accredited an A+, and it is still one of the few colleges in this part of the region with this kind of grade. And we are thankful to God, as I said earlier, but at the same time, we're also thankful for the fact that we know that we have grown only because of the partnership and the collaboration and the exposure that we have had with sister organizations and institutions across the country. So as I said earlier, it is a real privilege for us as a college to be able to team up with Kristu Jayanti. And I'm very, very excited, as Reverend Father Lijo P. Thomas earlier has pointed out in his welcome address, that the wonderful thing about this particular FDP that is being organized today, is the last part of that, theme, of that topic, which is a hands-on approach. When I saw that, I'm also excited about it, and we were encouraging our faculty to join in, because we realized that there's been no end of theory grounded kind of FDPs. But at the same time, sometimes after the faculty have gone through those, at the end of it, they've just, it has just ended there. It has stopped there. But the fact that a hands-on approach has been brought in as part of the equation in this particular FDP, I think this is what is going to make this particular program, this particular training, a very practical base and more beneficial one, because the participants will have an opportunity to immerse themselves. It will give them an opportunity to have that immersive experience. So I'm very, very grateful both to the Commerce Department of Kristu Jayanti, as well as to Synod College faculty, Commerce Department, for coming up with this theme. And I really, really hope that at the end of this 1 week FDP, the participants will be able to come away with more in-depth understanding, not just knowledge, but in-depth understanding of how we can utilize the digital technology that we have now in order to help our students learn better and connect better and be more relevant in today's global context. So I really believe that it's a very well chosen topic, and I want to congratulate the faculty of Commerce Department, Kristu Jayanti, for organizing this and for enabling us to partner together with you in this endeavor. And it is my sincere hope that there will be a lot of meaningful training and discussions that will be generated as an outcome of this FDP. So with all of this, I just want to extend my very best wishes to all those participants who have registered. I pray that it will truly be a very, very fruitful and productive program. And I also want to say that we look forward in the future to partnering together with Kristu Jayanti, not only for, for these FDPs, but also perhaps for more students and faculty exchange programs. If we can facilitate this, it will help our students from both your part of the country and our part of the country to connect better, especially in a world which is largely divided by so many divides. I hope that this will be one platform where we can help to connect the students of Northeast India with the students of Karnataka and Bangalore and the rest of India. So with these few words, once again, I want to extend my gratitude to you for inviting me to be a part of this FDP. Thank you so much. Once again, I really, really appreciate it. And on behalf of my college, we extend our sincere good wishes and blessings to the program, to the staff, to the faculty, and to the students of Kristu Jayanti. May God bless all of us. Thank you so much and have a wonderful, wonderful FDP. Thank you so much. God bless.
Thank you so much, ma'am. We have 2 ears and 1 mouth, so we should listen more when we say. It's a time to listen the resource person of the day, Professor S.M. Khan. Before that, I request Dr. Aarti Singh to introduce the resource person to the gathering.
Thank you, ma'am. It's my immense pleasure to introduce the resource person of the day, Professor S.M. Khan. Dr. S.M. Khan is a professor of psychology at Aligarh Muslim University with a master's in statistics and psychology from AMU and PhD in psychology from the University of Lucknow. He previously served as the research design and standard organization Indian Railways, specializing in aptitude assessment and human resource research in train operations. With over 3 decades of research experience and 19 years of teaching, He has authored 2 books and 62 research papers and contributed 39 research projects for Indian Railways. A distinguished speaker and an educator. He has conducted 180 plus research methodology workshops and is actively involved in aptitude test development, research methodology, and data analytics for academia and industry. Sir, we are highly privileged to have you amongst us for the 7 days FDP session. Now, I would like to invite Professor S.M. Khan to take over the session.
Thank you so much. I hope I am audible.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. My gratitude to Father Lijo P. Thomas, sir. Thank you so much for sparing wonderful time as the academician, as the mentor, and the guardian of the institutions. Dr. Vijay, sir, as head of the Department of Commerce. Dr. Lingdo, Principal Mohtarma, Dr. Aarti, and of course, Dr. Ibharani. She is instrumental to push me, to ask me कि sir ये program आप ही को करना है. Though very engaged, but as a teacher, it's my prime responsibility to be at your expectations. And my words to you, to the organizers, to the participants, I will be at your expectations. Thank you so much. We are going to stay back almost 7 days. And number of topics we are going to cover to mastering in data analytics. Perhaps if I go back to the learning of statistics, it started from 1984. And using the computer for data analysis, it started from 1986 when I was working in Indian Council of Medical Research. So we were having only half our time in a month at NIC Delhi for the analysis. You can imagine in 86, we were short, everybody was short of computers. So now the things are very easy. The topic which has been decided, really, it is a very need of our. And one of the beauty of this program is the use of JAMOVI. JAMOVI is an openware and freeware. And you can compare this with n number of commercial applications. A large number of commercial applications are available in the market. We as institutions are having limitations. We as students are having limitations. So how to manage the show? So this is wonderful application which is going to help you as an academician, as a researcher, and as a student as well, without paying a single penny. So this is wonderful application. So let me start my talk. I hope almost 24 minutes have passed in the session. My gratitude to the organizers for the inaugural session. Now I'm sharing my PPT, please. I hope my screen is visible. Please confirm kar dein ek baar bas.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine. So thank you so much. So JAMOVI is one of the openware. As you can go to the brand stats open now for all. Anybody can use it, unlimited time. It is perpetual in license. You are not going to challenge if the analysis is being done using the JAMOVI. It is some of the features is better than SPSS and allied applications. I've been using SPSS from 1986 and one of the mentor of IBM SPSS. I will share n number of features, and these features are wonderful comparing to the SPSS and other applications. Friends, in this session, as the inaugural one of the speakers shared with you, I will be happy to push you at least 60% time to go for hands-on practice. I will try to give you the dummy data. I will first discuss the theoretical part of the statistics. Then I will demonstrate the demo using the dummy data set, and also make the interpretation of the analysis. Then I will ask you to practice. So within 1 hour, we need to finish n number of activities. If you are not confirming that you are not using altogether, then perhaps I will be able to say sorry. My limitations, my needs are highly limited. My gratitude to you, you gave me this opportunity to share. If I'm not at your expectations because of hands-on practice, then I may withdraw. So I request you, humbly request to all the participants, as Principal Ma'am shared, that this is the wonderful opportunity to learn using the hands-on. So please confirm, please promise that you have installed this application. And yesterday I shared the link also to download it and install it. It is freeware, it is openware, and it will be available to you for unlimited time. Thank you so much. So what I'm planning to cover in this session, what is JAMOVI, is features and benefits. I will also try to compare SPSS, R, and other tools with JAMOVI. How to install and set up in different platforms. It is available in Windows, Mac, or Linux. Wonderful application. Series of programs I have conducted using JAMOVI, and my institution also, number of programs have been conducted. Wonderful feedback. And fourth point, user interface workflow, how to see the data into the application, how to define the variables, and how to conduct the analysis. To large extent, it is similar to SPSS, but many ways it is better than SPSS. आप देखेंगे. And fifth point, importing and exporting the data. Different type of data we have for our various research projects, for various research problems, and how to import into the JAMOVI for the analysis, and how to export after analysis into the different format, and how to manage the output. These are the points that I'm planning to discuss with you, friends, in this session. JAMOVI, it is an open source statistical software designed for easy data analysis, just click away. Built on R. In the background, the language which has been used to develop this application, it is on R. It provides an inbuilt spreadsheet-like interface. As you have seen in Excel, you have seen in SPSS, SAS, Stata, Dynastate, Mini-States, and number of applications are there. So in the similar fashion, you are going to have a spreadsheet for the data visualization, data entry, and reading the data, and output window to see the results as well, and so many things. And this application aimed for the researchers, educators, and students for statistical computing and analysis. Friends, as Father quoted number of times, for the sound decision making, you need to learn statistics. You need to make use of statistics for better decision. You will surprise that when I was supposed to choose a boy for my daughter's marriage, there was an issue. My father was of the opinion for a different boy, and my family along with my daughter was for a different boy. Then we decided to go for statistical modeling. I developed the questionnaire, collected the data from 22 members of my family, and gave presentation almost 40 minutes. and using the conjoint analysis. It is one of the application, finest application. It help you to choose the optimum number of specs out of n number of specs. For the marriage, we are having sets of specs. ये भी हो, ये भी हो, ये भी हो. लेकिन what will be the better or the best optimum set of specs will make a difference for the decision making. Thanks God, we took a decision on the basis of a statistical modeling, and we decided to go for the boy, which was supported by statistical computing. My daughter is happy, my family is happy, and my father himself confirmed later on, I too happy. So please try to love with the statistics, and you will find yourself the wonderful human being. रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी में you can have wonderful inputs using the statistics. JAMOVI is free to use and cross platforms, any of the platform that you can install it and work on it. And the slide about the overview of the JAMOVI, friends, this slide has been developed using the mind map AI application. You will surprise that a wonderful application. If I'm asked you to create as a researcher or a student, you may need weeks or months. This information is purely based on research, but the AI helped me to develop this slide or this page less than 2 minutes. So if the time permit, I will help you to how to create this mind map using the AI applications. Please do remind if you are interested to learn this knowledge. And this knowledge is very important for the researcher or for as a speaker. Now as a speaker, I can speak hours on the basis of this slide only. So there is a need to. And for preparation of the examination or the entrance examination, if you are able to create a mind map in such a fashion, then in a snapshot, you can see n number of information altogether, which is easy to memorize and retrieve during the examination. So friends, this is the first part, overview of JAMOVI. And the introduction, it is open source and free. GUI-based statistical software, general user interface, and based on our language. And key features of this application are easy to use interface. Just click away, आप देखेंगे real-time results. You will find immediately the results about the computation. Spreadsheet style data view. Syntax mode of the R code. Reproducible analysis number of times on the basis of n number of inputs. And as you might have seen it in SPSS, you can add on n number of modules without paying a single penny. Key features. Types of analysis, almost all analysis, parametric and non-parametric, are available in this application. You can go for descriptive statistics. You can go for hypothesis testing. You can go for analysis of variance, correlations, regressions, factor analysis, and n numbers of non-parametric tests also. Data handling, any type of the data you can import into the JAMOVI, as well as you can export into the different format. And this data you can, this pertains to the output. The output can be imported into the PDF or HTML file or CSV. As you know, friends, for the data analysis, the type of variable is very important. Variable, how to define a variable? Variable is a characteristic of an individual, or you can say the product under study. So the type of scaling of the variable is very important. How to choose appropriate test for the analysis. So during 7 days, whenever I'm going to take up the statistical test, I will give you the basic information, what type of data or scaling required in this case. So normally the type can be divided into the three parts: continuous, and this is the constituents of interval and ratio scaling. And n number of values are on a continuous. And when the data is ordinal, and with the data in categories, or you can say the nominal. So every statistical technique is not suitable for every types of the data. So it is suggested at the onset what type of the data do you have and what appropriate statistics can be. This you will learn during the 7 days, how to filter the data and how to transform it into the different data set. Modules. In addition to the base module, you can add on n number of modules also, as you haven't seen. SPSS. In SPSS, there are 17 different modules, and they are charging for each and every module when you are requesting them to add on. So in this case, it is completely free. You can go for advanced regression, you can go for mediation, moderation analysis, you can go for SAM also, and more add-on also. In research, friends, teaching statistics, and you are in the classroom, you need to give hands-on practice to the students. Teaching statistics, psychology and social sciences, you are dealing with n number of variables, very user-friendly for beginners as well. Supports reproducible research. Interface, data tab, analysis tab, as you have seen other applications like Microsoft or statistical analysis application. Analysis tab, results panel, variable types, syntax also. And advantages is very friendly for the beginner, even for the researcher. Real-time output in the customized tabular format. Directly you can copy and paste. Advantages, community supported. They are not asking you to a single penny. It is supported by n number of communities to be useful of the user, for the users. Active development, they are continuously issuing the n number of versions without free of charge. Cross-platform, any of the platform you can use. Limitations, limited customization compared to the full R, make require R of advanced tasks, fewer visualization than some advanced. So these are not the limitations. Learning resources, official website is there for the videos, for the documentation as well. And you can also go for the YouTube tutorials. Wonderful tutorials are there, how to learn this application. You can also go for the university courses, record the video and share there. And community forum is there. So I must confirm to you, please do remind if you are interested how to create this type of slide, or you can say the visualization using the AI application for learning and teaching. So it was about the overview, and moving towards JAMOVI, very user-friendly, real-time output, and advanced statistical test. As I shared with you, customized with R and data visualization. You can create the graphs and plots really very different comparing to the other applications. Benefits, free and open source, no licensing cost is required. Friends, you know, we are in the age of cyber crime. Whatever we are doing, we need to declare the licensing. Creative Commons licensing is very important for the academics as well. So this application has been issued under the Creative Commons licensing. Anybody can use it, anybody can reproduce it, anybody can do anything else with the application. They are not going to ask you anything else. Easy learning curve, ideal for beginners in the statistics. Reproducibility, automatically saves analysis, integrates with the R and Python, and community support, active user base and continuous update. Almost every Now, comparison of the data analysis tool with this, in an SPSS, user-friendly, best for descriptive statistics, hypothesis testing, and limited and advanced machine learning and customization. You need to go for data mining and so many things using the other applications also. R, programming language. We as a teacher cannot go for learning the coding, how to code the program, how to write the program for the analysis. This is not possible. As you know, we are being challenged about the use of AI in number of programs. This question was asked to me, sir, is it ethical or unethical? I'm sorry. I'm not happy to respond this question. What is unethical? Whatever we are doing in traditional mode, is it ethical? We are going through n number of books, going through the n number of pages of the Google, copying, typing, writing, and sharing with the student. This is not the same scenario in case of this AI application. Reason being that the task which is repetitive in nature, the task which require manual job can be replaced by the technology. If it is replaced by the technology, then when we have unlimited time to be innovative, to produce our wonderful research or courses for the benefit of the society at large. If we are saying we are unethical, then you stay back with you. Nobody is going to bother. As I shared with you, my son and daughter-in-law are working in Amsterdam and Netherlands in a very senior executive position. My daughter and son-in-law, they are working in Brussels, Belgium. Even my daughter is responsible for selection of chief executive officers for industry. I used to ask them, okay, beta, what are the uses of AI in your working? They used to say, okay, Papa, you cannot imagine the use of AI for the better decision making. इसीलिए they are the developed countries, और हम यहाँ इसीलिए पढ़े हैं कि अरे ये unethical है, ये ethical नहीं है. No. Series of programs I have been conducted on the AI. We need to accept the technology. One of the futurists of the America once quoted, there is a time to learn, unlearn, and relearn. Toffler, he said, Hamesha, we must be open to learn. We need to ignore the knowledge which is obsolete in nature, unlearn. There are limitations of the storage. And relearn, when we are being asked to relearn, and this learning will be wonderful as we are experienced. We know earlier procedures and processes. So we need to open for technology. And other tools, Excel, Python, SAS, and Stata. Unlimited comparison, you will see that SPSS, I'm not going to discuss with you, just sensitizing you. And if you look into the comparison, SPSS, they see, medium to high uses, limited uses, customization, limited. However, you will go n number of customizations into the JAMOVI. Data handling, excellent for big data, varies, and best for beginners, are for advanced statisticians, and depend on the use. So this was the, I tried to make the comparison. Now coming to the very important point, friends, installation of the this JAMOVI. I just wish to check the chat box. If you drop a word, how many of you have installed JAMOVI? Just drop a word. I want to see yes or no. Then only I will move to the next slide. This is one of the utmost commitment that I need from your side. Please confirm. Fine. Not getting. Quickly, you need to type within 2 seconds or minutes or so. Then only I will be motivated to move on. Fine. Out of 103, I'm getting very little confirmation. Please confirm. Please give your commitment that if not today, tomorrow you are going to show me or confirm me, then only we can go for the hands-on practice exercise. See, we need to understand the time of each other. As a teacher, as a vice chancellor, as a HOD, number of stakeholders are giving this time. And this needs to be used in the right perspective. Thank you so much. An N number of participants have confirmed they have done. Now moving towards it. I will not go this part. Whomsoever is not, if some of the participants has not been able to do this, simply type this JAMOVI and you will go to the JAMOVI software, and this is the application. You need to go through it. JAMOVI for cloud, JAMOVI for desktop, and you need to go for this application, and you will see this. You can download this, and you can install it. So this I want to sensitize you. This is the site from where you can install this application. And after downloading, simply click the file. This is only the one file which will directly install on your system. And one of the rider to the participants is that this application is having a limitation. You can install on 64-bit machines. If you are having 32-bit, then you cannot go for this. You need to uninstall, install using the cloud. So this is the rider from their side. If you are not able to install, then you need to check your system, whether it is 32 or 64-bit. Fine. So after installation, friends, system requirements little bit, 250 MB. This is perhaps 350 MB. This is the earlier version. The latest version is 350 and so on. And for all the operating system, you can go for Windows 10, Mac, and any modern Linux distribution. And almost all platforms are supporting this application. Simple and intuitive. It consists of 3 main views: data view, variable view, and analysis view. Data view, variable view. In SPSS, we are having 4 or 5 views: data editor, output editor, graphics editor, syntax editor, and script editor. In this case, they have integrated only into the 3 views: data view, variable view, and analysis panel. Navigation elements, ribbon toolbar, जैसे आपने other applications में देखा है, access data, analysis, and modules. Left sidebar displays analysis, and main workforce view and edit data or results that you will see to it. Data view and variable view like the spreadsheet, जैसे आपने SPSS और Excel में देखा है. And rows represent the cases as you have seen in SPSS or Excel, and column represents the variables. And you need to define variable very nicely. The name, for giving the name, there is a rider in SPSS. It cannot start with the special characters, allowing only 3 special characters. There is no rider. You can start with the number, you can start with the alphanumeric, and so on. Type, data, numeric, categorical or text. Measures, it is supporting all the 4 measures. Labels, define categories for the categorical variables. Easily switch between views by clicking one column to the header. Comparing to the very, very friendly the SPSS. Fine. How to perform the analysis in JAMOVI? Go to the analysis and you have n number of sub options there, as you have seen in this case of SPSS. Viewing the results, there is another panel. Right side, there is a panel which will give you the ready tables. Just copy and paste into the research title, research paper, or you can say it into the thesis. Tables, graphs update dynamically once the data is changed. Once the variables change, it will automatically update the existing output, which is not possible into the SPSS. Results can be exported into the different format, PDF, Word, or copied into the different modes. So these are the wonderful utility. Supporting data and number of data support किया जा सकता है, and exporting data you can export into the different formats. Fine. Special considerations when importing and exporting, and this every day I'm going to share the PPT with you on the WhatsApp group, and try to be reflective. Every day I'm planning, though I am very engaged, very busy, but I will try to share 5 MCQs related to each session using the Google form, and you need to respond it. You need to submit before the next session. Even within an hour or so, just say I can share the summary with you, how many participants are moving in the right direction. And hands-on practice today, actually, I planned this how to export or import data. Little bit, 5 or 10 minutes, we can extend tomorrow. As you know, you are having wonderful day today for your institution. I too, as the head of the department, number of visitors are waiting for me, and meetings also. I will conclude my session at the 3 dot. But tomorrow, definitely, I will repeat some of the techniques and tools tomorrow. Fine. What is output in the JAMOVI that you will see? Simply this PPT will be available to you for going through and sum up. So in this session, what we planned, I tried to ensure that you are having JAMOVI at your system. And I will also share the overview right now, and import and export and output management. So this was the PPT that I plan to share with you. Now it's we are having 6 or 7 minutes. If you can allow me 5 minutes more, can it be possible? 5
Yes.
minutes past 3.
Yes, yes, sir.
Thank you so much. So at least we can have this things complete today. So friends, once you install the JAMOVI, this will be the part of your programs as I'm sharing this application with you. And this is the latest version 2.6.44. This is around 300. If you install this application, perhaps I have this this application. Let me check with you. This application, actually, I was thinking to share with you. Now see, this is 345 MB file, 2.6.44.0. This is the latest file that I downloaded only the day before yesterday. This is freely available, and the earlier it was 265 and 250 and so on. So whatever the limitations you are having about your system, that accordingly you can go for JAMOVI, and there is a largely significant difference between the 2 versions. So friends, when you run the JAMOVI, this is the first interface, first screen. This is the data view, data editor window, and this is the output view. All the outputs will be displayed in this side, and these are the menu that you can confirm n number of activities altogether when you are planning to go for. In your case, you might be expecting up to this: exploration, t-test, ANOVA, regression, frequencies, and factors. This add-on, I will help you how to add on. It's a freeware only that you can add on. Fine. So coming to this part, at the left bottom corner, left top corner, we are having this 3 horizontal bar. Just click it. So you can create the new data file. When I create this, then you will have the screen spreadsheet like this. You can open the existing file going through this. So if I plan to open, click the open, then browse. As you know, n number of things are there. You need to go to the folder in which your data is there. So no, my data is in this folder. So first I will try to read the SPSS file and the extension. These files I have already shared with you at the WhatsApp group. Please do connect. If you are finding any difficulty, please drop a message on the WhatsApp group. I will be at your expectations. So now see, if you see this domain, file domain, if I click, these different type of files can be read. JESP also, now see, SAS, Stata, R, SPSS, Excel, JSON, CSV, JAMOVI file, and n number of files are there. Almost all the data applications you can read into the JAMOVI. If I click to the browse, and now see, I plan to open the SPSS file. Just click it and open it. Now see, the complete data is into the JAMOVI now. As you have seen, those are familiar about the SPSS. These are the variables. This is the data editor window. If you know about the variables, just click here and see, these are the variables. You can add on, you can add the variables, you can delete the variables, you can filter here also. You can edit also. N number of functions are there. If I plan to discuss with you all the topics, then really it will be very difficult. But I'm trying to show you how you can manage it. I will show you how to create the new data file, how to add the variables, how to decide the different characteristics of the variable tomorrow. But this today we are trying to open the existing data file. So just click away like this, like this, like this. Okay, fine. So now you are able to open this SPSS file. Okay. If you are planning to edit the name, now see, gender. You double click this. When you double click, you can change the name. Double click, gender. I wish to write it gender. Measure type, whether it is nominal, ordinal, or continuous. Of course, gender is nominal. These are the labels only. देखिए, once I make the change, there is a change. Variable का नाम change हो गया. Education, just click it, double click. You can write it educate. And whatever the changes, education, again integer, values are in numbers that you need to decide. So you can change any type of the variables over here. How to go back? You can move like this. Very friendly. You will love to it. Wonderful application. So now you know how to open the SPSS file. Now, again, how to save this file into the Excel. Now save, go to the save. And you can go to the this export. If I plan to export, again, you can go for this into the different formats are there. You can export this into the different format. Okay. Wonderful application. So now you are able to open the SPSS file. Now let me open the next file, this Excel file. Now see, this is the Excel file. If I wish to draw your attention towards this Now see, if I come to the data, this is the Excel file. Now see. So there is a warning for the new researchers. Please do not use first row, many rows for giving the variable name. Only the first row can be treated as the variable name only. If you are going to use multiple rows for the variable name, then you are not a good researcher. Girls के केस में मैंने especially देखा है, they are using n number of rows just to define the variable. So this is not fair approach. You need to learn it, you need to fix it, and you need to. Now see, this is the data in the Excel file. Normally we used to enter the data into the Excel and try to import into the different statistical application. So this is the Excel file. Now I'm trying to read this file into the JAMOVI. Okay, then come to the browse, and here we can select the Excel file. Now see this Excel file, only the Excel files will be available to you. I'm interested to study this employee data. Click it and just open it. Now see, this is the Excel data that you are able to open it. Okay. Again, next you can go for opening the other format data also. Select over CSV, comma value separate on the basis comma CSV file, employee data, open it. Now see, this is the CSV file. So any type of the data you can open into the SPSS, and you can also save it into the different format. Save it. JAMOVI format में अगर save करना चाहते हैं, you simply save it. आपकी file JAMOVI में save होगी. Fine. N number of applications are there. So what I planned in this part of the discussion, now you are able to open the Excel file. You can also go for the data file. Agar if your data is in ASCII format, then you can go to open the data file. Again, you go for the C. You can select the you can see the data file must be here. No, it's not the data file. .dat file, you can open it, and this again, this file can be opened into the JAMOVI. So this part of the discussion, friends, save into the JAMOVI, export Excel file to the SPSS, and these all things are known to you. Now, moving ahead, 1 more minute only, simply 1 minute I need to play with you. Let me see how to go back. This arrow, you can go back. Now you are again in the SPSS. You are in the employee data, and the first analysis for the day that I plan to discuss with you. If please, I suggest you as a good researcher or participants, you need to make a log what we learned today. If you are not making a log, then it will not be fair approach that for learning purposes. So please confirm that you are making use of this. Could you please help me to join the WhatsApp group? Sorry, I cannot help you. Please request to the organizers. They are the right person. Fine. Now coming back within a fraction of Rani ma'am, can I have 2 more minutes?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. Now coming to the first analysis, which will give you the wonderful experience. Now see, if you look into the variables, this is this data pertains to the employees of one of the company. So there are n number of variables: gender, birth date, education, job category. This is current salary, and this is beginning salary. If I am willing to know the descriptive statistics about the current salary and beginning salary, you will see the results within a fraction of seconds. So first analysis, fine. Go to the analysis, click this analysis. When you click, you need to play with this menu. So when you come to the analysis, exploration is the this button. You click it, and in this part, you are having descriptives, scatter plots, and Pareto charts. So first, I will click this descriptive. Now see the feeling as you are playing with the SPSS, feeling. Same approach, selecting the variables and playing with the variables. Now see, select salary. Once the salary, the output will be displayed over here instantly within a fraction of second. But in the SPSS, we need to go for the different window, output editor window. Now see, select the variable. Once I select the variable, now see the statistics is there. In my data set, 474 are the participants. There is no missing value. This is mean, median, standard deviation, and this and so on. If you are interested more statistics, now see this part, click this statistics. Unlimited statistics is there. If you want mode, now see mode has been added. If you want sum has been added, this sum. If you are for the variability, if you want variance, just added. Range, just added. IQR, interquartile range, just added. If you are willing to know the distribution of your data set, skewness, kurtosis, just added. If you are looking into the normality of the data set, Shapiro. If you are looking to the mean, everything is there. इससे ज़्यादा और क्या चाहिए? Now, if I'm interested to know this statistics in reference to the some other categorical variable. Now see, if I click this, okay, if I'm interested to on the basis of job category, once I click as a split, now see job category. I am having different categories. See, job category. Clericals are 360 in my data set. Custodial this one, manager this one. No missing. Mean देखिए, in case of all the three categories. Median in case of all three categories. Sum in case of all categories. Standard deviation and so on. Yani you can categorize, you can split your analysis on the basis of categorical variable. So this is wonderful learning, and so many things are to be learned and experienced in days to come. Friends, ये वाला part मैं कल discuss करूँगा. Now right click and you can copy and paste into the Word directly. If I click it, copy किया and go to the Word and paste it. Now see, this completely editable table. You can delete it, you can modify it, you can change it, whatever you wish. So there is a direct compatibility of JAMOVI and other applications of Microsoft and so on. And this part now, it is 10 minutes past. I wish to conclude now. Tomorrow there is some declaration from the organizer sides. Please stay back with me and try to understand my limitations also. Tomorrow actually we are having entrance examination, and I've been asked to look after the activity from 2 onwards. So really it will be very difficult for me as the senior professor of the department and university, and how to compensate. And Dr. Ibha ma'am and Rani ma'am, this Aarti ma'am and Professor, please help me how to go ahead. Thank you so much, friends. I will be waiting for your questions. You can drop in the WhatsApp, and you have any issue, tomorrow I will be at your expectation. I will respond to them. Thank you so
Yes,
much for being nice participants. Thank you.
Yes,
Bataya,
sir.
sir.
Thank you, sir, for your enlightening us with your wonderful knowledge. Feeling gratitude and not expressing, it is like wrapping the present and not giving it. Now, I request Dr. Ibarani to propose vote of thanks.
Thank you, ma'am. Cultivating an attitude of gratitude transform how we experience the world. Today, I take the opportunity to put all my gratitude into words. A very good afternoon to one and all present here. First and foremost, I would like to express heartfelt gratitude to our esteemed resource person, Dr. S.M. Khan, Professor, Aligarh Muslim University. Sir, your in-depth knowledge and hands-on approach to statistical techniques using JAMOVI have opened up new horizon for us. The clarity with which you explain the application of statistical tools and techniques has immensely enhanced our understanding and confidence in applying them in our academic and research excellence. I would like to express our sincere thanks to our respected Vice Principal, Father Dr. Lijo P. Thomas, whose constant encouragement and support continue to inspire us in organizing such impactful faculty development program. Thank you, Father.
Excuse me, I'm not getting response from the participants as well. At least they can drop a word into the how we are moving. Thank you. Please. Thank you. Continue.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, there are different files you have shared. Which file? All the files, CSV file, TXT file, Excel, all the files we need to download, or what is that for the data?
One file is not enough. Actually, the data is in different formats many times.
Correct. Yes,
So
sir.
directly we can read the files into the JAMOVI. I have shared these files on the WhatsApp
Correct.
group.
Yes.
That
is only my question
day
was.
before the session, whatever the file I'm going to use, I will be uploading. So you can make practice or hands-on practice all together. Then only Ibha ma'am, please confirm kariye.
Yes,
If
sir.
my participants are ready to move with me, then only I will be in the class. Warna main sorry bol दूं.
Participant, please answer. Please download this software. It is openware software. So please do download and respond to such questions. Then only he will also feel that we are learning something from him.
Hello, sir.
जी ma'am.
This is Usha from Karnataka. Sir, hello.
हाँ मैम बोलिए प्लीज.
Sir, I have already downloaded the JAMOVI software.
जी.
But I was unable to open that file which you have sent in the WhatsApp, sir. So today I felt difficulty in accessing it. So if you go a little bit slow, it will be better, sir. And you can send the document a day earlier to the WhatsApp group, sir.
Really, thank you so much. I was little bit fast. Reason being that I need to compensate the day. Tomorrow onwards, my words to you, I will be little so. Then only we will be able to move all together. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sir, good
Thank you, sir.
afternoon. Sir, good afternoon. This is Samarth from Bangalore. Am I audible?
Sir.
सर अगर ना पूरा फाइल जो वर्किंग फाइल से अगर गूगल ड्राइव में डाल सकते हैं और अगर लिंक शेयर हो सकता है ना तो ये बहुत आसानी होती है बिकॉज व्हाट्सएप वेब एंड ऑल क्रैशेस समटाइम्स. अगर ड्राइव में डाल सकते हैं एंड इफ द कॉलेज इज हेल्प्स अस टू शेयर अ ड्राइव बहुत मेहरबानी होगी सर. It's easy for us, I feel.
Actually, as I shared with you, I can play with all these techniques. But if you can ask the organizers, if I'm sharing all the files with them, then they can move the files into the Google Drive and share the link with you, then it will be easy for me.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. We will do
हाँ
it.
मैम देखिए किसी स्कॉलर को आप लगाइए और उनका नंबर दे दीजिए. I will share all the files with them along with the PPT every day.
Yes, sir.
So please ये जिम्मेदारी आप ले लीजिए सर. Dear participants, you know कि
Yes, sir. I'll do
I'm
it.
sorry, I'm very packed. मैं घर पे भी जाके मेरे 13-14 घंटे काम हो रहा है डेली.
Yes,
बहुत
sir.
मुश्किल हो रहा है लेकिन इभा मैम के साथ, फादर के साथ और विजय सर के साथ कमिटमेंट था, आना था, इसलिए आई एम विद यू. तो थोड़ा मेरा काम भी आप करते हैं प्लीज.
Yes, yes, sir. Please share to me. I will make it and put
I
it in
will.
Drive, and Drive link I'll be sharing in WhatsApp group.
I will. Thank you
I
so
hope
much.
all the participants have joined the WhatsApp group.
Ma'am, I've shared it again now for everyone. In the chat,
Yes,
I have
ma'am.
shared.
Yes, ma'am.
And the chat group, WhatsApp chat, you can group as it team member also, if someone is finding any difficulty, you can respond all together. If it
Yeah.
comes to me, I will be at your expectations. Fine.
Yes, 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 sir. Yes, sir.
Any other
Sir,
question?
excuse me,
Iba ma'am
sir.
conclude करें. Actually, the
Sir,
visitor.
Yes, sir.
excuse me, I have one doubt, sir.
जी मैम बोलिए please.
Yes, sir. You have taken the data from SPSS, no, sir?
हाँ.
In such case, can we export it into Excel sheet? Or can we, once if the data file is from SPSS or CSV, we can only use in that sort of file, or we can export it in Excel
You can
sheet also?
export into the different format as well. कल मैं tomorrow आपको demonstrate करूँगा. Fine.
Okay, okay, sir. And
Fine.
one more small suggestion request to you is, sir. So when you present your screen, we can able to see the result panel only. That is output view only we can able to see. We cannot able to see where which menu, which option you are functioning. We cannot able to see your entire screen. Kindly do take it as a suggestion and little bit slower,
Is it
and
in,
tomorrow.
excuse me, is it in case of all the participants or
No,
few
no.
are having this
So we are
difficulty?
able to see
Dr.
it
Iba
properly.
ma'am, can you confirm it?
Yes, yes. We are able to see your menu panel as well with the output also, sir.
हाँ मैम तो
We're
थोड़ा सा
able to
मेरे
see.
मोबाइल में देख
Please
रहे
do
होंगे.
check your mobile, so it may be little bit this side screen will be there. That's why maybe it was not visible.
Okay, ma'am.
But
No
it
issue,
was
sir. हम इसी तरह से करते हैं, learn करते हैं. If I am at, if I need to correct, I will be correcting it altogether.
Okay.
Conclude
So
करेंगे.
yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank
Yes,
you.
sir. Thank you so much for being nice participants, and my gratitude for giving me this respect, Iba ma'am,
Yes,
Aarti
sir.
ma'am, and father and HOD sir also. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.
Stay
Thank you
blessed.
so much, sir.
Thank
Stay
Thank you,
blessed.
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Ma'am,
Thank you,
can I talk to the organizers? Is it a good time?
Yes, yes. We can
Good
hear you.
afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. Yes, मैं समर्थ बोल रहा हूँ.
Yes,
सह्याद्री
sir.
कॉलेज मैंगलोर से, from Bangalore. Just
Yes.
wanted to know that after this, the complete schedule will be sent because the WhatsApp crash hota hai. In case if you're able to send me the whole schedule, what time, and at the end the certificate will be given, right, for the payments and whatever.
Yes,
Anything
sir.
on that, ma'am?
After the first thing is scheduled, because we planned it at 2 o'clock only every day, but because of the resource person engagement, we will check with the timing and we will inform in the WhatsApp group about the schedule of tomorrow's. Other than that, every day we have the 2 to 3 p.m. only. The session timing is 2 to 3 p.m. only. Only for tomorrow he is engaged, so I will confirm the timing and I will share in the WhatsApp group, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. अगर things are shared in the drive, बहुत मेहरबानी होगी, because WhatsApp keeps on crashing as it's a WhatsApp web and other things.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I make it whatever he has shared till now to me, all the data, I will keep it in OneDrive and I will share you the drive link in the WhatsApp group only, sir.
Thank you. We've addressed all that now.
And after the FDP, it will take another 1 week to consolidate the data and participant list. Then only we will able to produce this certificate to all the participants, sir.
Ma'am, any regarding the attendance, in case if sometimes even we are teachers, sometimes we are not able to one session if we miss on, how does the certificate goes on, ma'am?
No, we will check it. We understand we are also teachers, but we will be checking, try to join it maximum, but we will take it on daily basis, how many participants have joined. Accordingly, we will produce the
Will you be able to
certificate.
share the recordings of the sessions, ma'am, in case if we
Yes,
could follow?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The
We will be
same
sharing
Google
the
Drive.
recording also. Yes, Google Drive link and this link also, today's session link, FTP link also, I'll be sharing it, sir.